Hi, today I want to show you how to create expense reports using our CloudExtend Excel data management for NetSuite. Let's open NetSuite first and check the expense report form. Here I have the employee, which is entity in NetSuite, the expense report number, the date, status, and purpose, which we call memo in the backend. Custom form. This is being defaulted to the preferred form setup in your NetSuite. And if you are on NetSuite One World, you will also see the subsidiary field on your form. We should be using the field ID name from NetSuite whenever you are creating a template using CloudExtend. To get the field ID name, you just need to click on the field name in NetSuite, and that will give you the field ID. I have pre-made the template right here, and this is how it looks like. I added the header level fields first, the tran date, tran ID, entity, and memo. I'm not on NetSuite One World, that's why I don't have subsidiary. And then the next, I added line level fields, the expense date, amount, category, and memo. Let's load this template to our current worksheet. When creating record entries, it's best to prepare the data beforehand because since we are using Excel, it's easy to copy and paste data from one sheet to another. These are my header level details. I can copy and paste this to the template. And then I can use formulas as well. I'll just use a formula on this date field. And for the entity field, this is a list type field. I can type ahead the name and it will look it up if it found its matching record. This is for my line level details section. And let's paste this to the line details of my expense report form, and everything's good now. Let me send this to NetSuite. Just click Upload to NetSuite button and then Upload Records. And that will send the whole table to NetSuite. Let's wait for this to complete. The internal ID column will give you the internal IDs generated from NetSuite if it's successfully created, and it will be highlighted in green. And now you will see 3 records were successfully created. Let's validate that in NetSuite. And as you can see here, here are the expense reports. How did NetSuite know the number of records you want to create? NetSuite creates one record to lines that have identical header level values. Let's just go back to the previous template that we've uploaded. So as you can see here, this created 3 records. The reason why it did that is because you have different header level values on this part. So it treated it as one set. This is the second set, and this is the third set. That means that if I want to create one record with 5 line items, all I have to do is make sure I have the same header level fields. Let me load a new template for you. Let's use tran date as an example. So this is my tran date value. Let me put the line details, and then let's push it back to NetSuite. Since the header level values are the same, this created one record with 5 line items. That is why it's important to structure your template, header level fields first and line level second. Hope you find this worthwhile. Thanks for watching.